Welcome to Vaudeville's Energy Efficiency Tracking System training. In this video, I will walk you through submitting performance payment applications for invoicing. Before jumping into the system, I would like to talk through some changes to performance payments as a result of BEETS. In the current process, performance payments are automatically issued, or a customer may choose to submit a request to opt out. There's one bucket of funding for all EEI and performance payments, and these are invoiced as such. In the future, customers control if, when, and how much performance payments are paid. As a result, there will be separate EEI and performance payment funds and invoices. These changes require a different process within BEETS. A utility may at any point during the rate period allocate parts of their EEI budget to their performance payment budget up to the cap. Additionally, throughout the rate period, as the utility submits measures for approval and they subsequently invoice, the available earned performance payment amount will increase. Then, when a utility has enough allocated and earned performance payment, they may claim them by submitting an application through BEETS. Assuming there is enough allocated and earned, BPA will pay out performance payment funds in net 10 calendar days. Invoices that are submitted with insufficient funds will need to be resubmitted. I will now show you how to submit a performance payment application. After logging into BEETS, you will be taken to your dashboard. Before submitting a performance payment application, it is important to check your budget and savings dashboard to ensure you have enough amount. To do this, make sure you scroll to the bottom to the performance payment section. Here, you will see your total allocated performance payments that you had previously allocated out of your EEI budget, as well as your available earned performance payments. This can be quite small, so we recommend using this drag and drop to zoom in on the amounts. Once you have visibility to how much available earned performance payments you have and enough allocated, you can submit a performance payment application by clicking on the Application Processing tab. Click on New Application. Select your utility from the drop-down. You likely will only see one. Select the Performance Payment Program and select the application form that says Start Here. It is important that you select the Start Here from the drop-down, or else the workflow will not work properly. Click Continue with Creation. You will be taken to the Continue with New App Creation screen. This customer search section is not value add, however, there are required fields, so we recommend that customers just enter their first name and last name in these fields. Once you inputted, click Search Customer. If you have previously submitted a performance payment application, you will see a Select Customer screen that you should go through the process. If not, a new account would be created for your name, and next time you log into the system, you will be found. Scroll down to continue. Feel free to ignore this Your Contact Information section that is not valuable to BEETS customers. Once in the Start Here section, submit your performance payment request by entering a unique project name, whatever you so choose, and enter the performance payment amount that you would like to request. It is important that this amount does not exceed the allocated and earned performance payment amount from your budget. If you need to look at your budget again, keep on clicking left to your dashboard and scroll down to ensure that you have enough performance payment amount. The available earned can be found here. Go back to your performance payment applications by clicking on the breadcrumbs below. Scroll through past equipment and files. These are not value add. And click on Create New Application. It is important once you create the application to take a look to make sure that everything went through properly. So click on Open Application. If you do not have sufficient allocated or earned performance payment amounts, you will be given a task to edit the amount. Provide a lesser amount that is within the budget as detailed here. And click Save. The system will rerun the budget check. As always, there's one last confirmation to redo the budget check. Assuming that this amount is within the budget, this performance payment application will move to Ready to Invoice status. Unlike EEI payments, there is no separate process to approve those specific payments for invoicing. This will automatically go to BPA Finance for invoicing. I will now walk you through what that process looks like in the background. The process we just went through was inclusive of this application entry and utility request for performance payment. The process we just went through is detailed here. In that situation, the utility submitted an application to request performance payment. The system did an initial check to ensure there was enough allocated and earned. It did not, so it went into a budget hold status for the utility to adjust the amount. This budget check was again performed. Nightly, however, another check is done against the BPA Finance budget. Similarly, the system will ensure that there's enough allocated and enough earned, and if so, an invoice will be created for this performance payment. In net 10 calendar days, the payment will be issued to the customer, and then that application will be updated with the app completed status. This is the end of the performance payment process. If you need additional instruction, please reference the Invoicing and Performance Payment Guides for more detailed instruction. Thank you for watching the Performance Payment Invoicing video.